Hello, today we're going to rhyme. We're going to work on the first sound in words and we are going to blend. I am going to give you a clue about a body part and it's going to be a mixed up silly word. I want you to think of what word I'm thinking of. I am thinking of a body part that rhymes with starms. Not starms, arms. Listen, starms, arms. The body part is your pred. Not pred, head. Pred, head. The body part are clees. Not clees, knees. Listen, clees, knees. The body part are frelbows. Not frelbows, elbows. Listen, frelbows, elbows. The body parts are dreet. Not dreet, feet. Listen, dreet, feet. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, I'll say 3 words. Tell me which 2 start with the same blend. Slight, cling, claw. Cling, claw, cull. Truth, troll, drop. Truth, troll, tur. Scout, short, scalp. Scout, scalp, sk. Bridge, frame, fringe. Frame, fringe, fur. Blow, claim, blink. Blow, blink, bull. Stir, storm, 12. Stir, storm, st. Last activity, I will say sounds, and we're going to blend them together to make a word. See if you can say the word before I do. What would this word be? K-l-f. Cliff. What would this word be? P-l-8. Plate. S-p-eek. Speak. Smile. Smile. K-er-oak. Croak. F-er-unt. Front. D-er-s. Dress. Nice job today.